park just is kind of scattered with quarter pipes, parking blocks, banks, ledges. You got a manual pad, a long rail, a whole bunch of random stuff like all over the place. So I really don't know what I'm gonna hit, but I'm just gonna go this direction and we'll see what happens. This is one of the best quarters in the park. Woo! Wow! Sketch! There's no shade here. We found one tree that gives like a little shade, but it's not much. So make sure you bring your water. I just bought this behemoth of a bottle and I love it. I got a straw in there. Hyped. Ice cold, baby. Oh man, yeah, it's hot.
I didn't even skate yet.
Yo, first try? What?
Yeah. Fucked my hand up, Bryce.
Oh no, I'm
What
sorry,
the
man.
Fuck?
Good save.
Holy shit. Oh, that kind of stretched me out a little bit.
Whew.
Ah.
Yeah, this quarter pipe right here is not safe at all. It's got butter bench coping, no angle to get down. It's sketchy, it's slippery. Be careful.
Aww.
Damn, that's it. Gotta be real careful whenever you see obstacles like this. Basically a double quarter pipe going up a wall. They don't ever take into account the coping coming in. This one actually feels all right, but I've gotten hung up on those things. It's not very fun.
Fuck.
What you doing up there?
Getting a snack? I'm good. I got the stuff. All right. Dickies pants. 1. Oranges.
It is hot as balls, so we're going somewhere cooler.
I'm sweating more than a whore in church. That was the realest nose bonk you're ever gonna see, boy.
So we're out here at Madison Park. They got this crazy dragon statue. Thing's super custom. It's got Bondo all over it, so you can ride up it, do tricks on it. Yeah, it's pretty freaking sick. So I don't know, it looks super artsy too. Come on out, check it for yourself. It is gnarly though. You can just ask Sean.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck it. It's like a once in a lifetime spot for real. This thing's so fucking cool. Where are you gonna find this shit anywhere else? Oh my god. No port slides. That's what I was scared of.
Some nice buns.
Dude, it's so fucking hard to come in on this. Right here. I feel like once I do it, I'm gonna be like, oh, that wasn't bad. Yeah, that wasn't bad. I think this whole video is just gonna be like a crusty spot check video. Every spot that we go to is super rough, covered in pebbles and rocks, and the ground is like daggers if you fall. If you can't get a trick here, tag us and I'll send you a dick pic. Tag us and I'll send you a kiss.
So essentially every spot we're gonna hit is gonna be kind of gnarly, so Sean might get beat up. I might not even skate, you don't even know, but I'll try to get some things for you. Alright, so we got a cool outledge right here. It's pretty low to get onto, and then you gotta clear the entire way, and then you come off the little drop here. Thing's pretty much butter. It's a little chunk on the side, so we'll see if it goes. Might need to add some wax, but I'm gonna try it out. That was a battle, dude, but hyped I got it. Thing's actually really nice. It's a little bit of a mind trip because you got like a drop on the other side with the bench. If you can get past that, slides real good, just gotta go fast at it. I came so close so many times. Oh, I towed.
Ribbit. Get it? Cause he towed.
There's one more spot over there, so we're gonna go check that out right now.
Dead in my eyes and my soul, 2 feet from me. I'm like, I'm just trying to wax this fucking ledge, dude. Like, what are you doing?
You did it. That was so good they called the fire department on you.
Took way too long. In my head, I'm thinking like no comply, front side 180 to switch 50.
Sean's got a secret crusty ledge to bank spot, so we're gonna go check that one out next. See you there? Hell yeah.
It's definitely like sketchy, but doable.
Oh, you got that.
Shit. Damn it. Dude, it feels really cool. Like once you get a little more used to it, it's like it pops you way out. Oh shit, yeah, boy. Yes.
That's perfect.
So this thing's super crusty, pretty fucking brute, but if you can get a trick here, it's really dope. I didn't really fall, but I'm sure if you did fall, it hurt a lot because the ground's chunk. Shout out to Jason, that last trick was for you. Thank you for letting us know about this spot. Shout out to Crustzine. Thanks for holding it down for the East Bay, letting everyone know where the good spots are around here.
So the thing I'm tripping on is Sean skated this thing with no shirt on. That's messed up, dude. Yo, if he fell, he would have been shredded.
It's right behind the post office, right after the intersection of MacArthur and Fruitvale. In the back parking lot behind Flavor Brigade. If you guys get a chance, come out this way and check it out. Get a clip, or don't. Yeah!
We have the spots. Subscribe to Skate Intel if you want the spots. That's it.
I like skate. Nobody keeps up on trimming up the nose hairs. What the fuck?
We're all goofy goobers, yeah. Goofy, goofy, goofy goober, yeah!